Transform your backyard in a charming cottage retreat. Choose rustic wooden furniture, plant colorful flowers and vintage containers, and create a cozy seating area with a comfortable cushions and throws. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel 90 Addiction. So if you like these ideas, please like the video and click the subscribers button for latest more interested videos. And this video share to your friends. Design a serene garden with a gravel paths, strangely placed rocks and minimalist greenery. Craft a small water feature for tranquility and comfortable meditation cushions and peaceful retreat. Embrace sustainability by creating a backyard filled with eligible plants and eco-friendly features. Need veg, rice-based vegetable, install a rainwater harvesting system and use recycled material for furniture. Bring a touch of topics of your backyard with a lush greenery, plum trees, and vibrant flowers. Consider adding a hammock and outdoor swing for a relaxed tropical vibe. Turn your backyard into a canvas by crafting art and installation. Use sculptures, colorful murals, or even repurposed material to create a visually stunning outdoor gallery. So if you like these ideas, please like the video and click the subscribers button for latest more interested videos. And visit my channel and see all videos about home and garden decor. In this video you can see garden ideas. Attract wildlife of your backyard by planting native flowers and shrubs. Craft bird feeders, bee friendly plants and small pond to create heaven for birds, butterflies and other critters. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. Create magical atmosphere with a fairy tale garden. Use visual decoration for garden decor. Thank you.